Jack! Mrs. Carter fell down! Emily, she looks very weak. She often does not care about us. But now she needs help. We cannot leave her alone.
Are you two talking loudly again?
We are sorry. We were only studying together.
I told you many times. I do not like noise in this house.
We did not want to be noisy. We will speak more quietly.
You always say that. But you never change.
We are really trying.
That is enough. Sit quietly and do your homework.
Yes, we will be quiet. We will finish our homework. Emily, I am very hungry. I am hungry too. Should we ask for some food? I do not know. Maybe Mrs. Carter will get angry again. But I have not eaten anything since morning. Okay, let's ask politely. I hope she will understand. Mrs. Carter, can we have a little food, please? We are very hungry.
Why do you always need something? I cannot take care of you all day.
We only ask for a little. We have not eaten since morning.
Find something by yourselves. I am not always here to take care of you.
Yes, we understand. Thank you. Emily, she does not love us. I feel that too. This house feels so cold. Before, our home was warm. I miss when Dad was home more.
When Dad is here, you feel safer, right?
Yes, everything is better when Dad is home. But now we must be strong. Will we stay together?
Of course.
No matter what happens, I will always be with you.
I must go to work early today. There is important work at the office.
Dad, we want to talk. Something is not right at home these days.
I understand. But I am very busy now.
We do not feel happy at home anymore. Sometimes we feel very sad.
Please listen to Mrs. Carter. I will talk to you tonight.
Yes, Dad. But I wish you could listen to us now. Mrs. Carter, are you okay?
I am fine.
But you look very tired.
Do not worry about me.
I can get you a glass of water.
I said I do not need it.
Jack, stay here. I will get some water. I want to help too. Here. Please drink a little. Do you need a tissue?
I am. Why is the room spinning?
Jack, step back a little. She needs space.
I do not need to lie here.
Please sit down. Emily. Mrs. Carter, can you hear me?
I feel so dizzy.
Jack, get the phone quickly. I am going. Please do not try to stand up again. Jack is getting the phone.
Why are you still helping me?
Because you need help. I got it. I will call Dad right now.
Dad, please pick up.
Emily? What happened?
Dad, Mrs. Carter fell. She feels very dizzy.
What? Is she awake?
She is awake, but she is very weak. Dad, she is awake, but she is very weak.
I am coming home now. Do not hang up.
Yes, Dad. I am still here.
Keep her lying still. Do not let her stand up.
Mrs. Carter, please stay still. My dad is coming home.
I was not kind to you.
You should rest now. Dad, we are staying beside her.
I am proud of both of you. I will be home soon.
Dad is home.
Emily. Jack. Are you two okay?
We are okay. But Mrs. Carter needs you.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I just feel very dizzy.
Did you two do all of this?
We just did not want her to be alone. I was scared, but Emily said we had to help.
You were both very brave. Is this what you wanted to tell him this morning?
Yes. We tried to tell you. I thought you did not have time to listen to us.
I am sorry. I did not listen to you.
I feel a little better now.
Stay still. Do not try to stand up again.
Emily. Jack.
Do you need anything else?
No, what I need is to say I am sorry. I am sorry I scared you. I am sorry I was cold to you. I just wanted everyone in this house to stop hating each other.
I do not like it when our home feels so quiet.
I did not know you felt that way.
I am also responsible. I left the kids to carry this alone.
From now on, I will try to do better. I do not want you to feel like strangers in this home.
I do not need you to be perfect. I just need you to mean it. And please do not look at me so scary anymore.
I will try. I promise.
Please drink a little more water.
Thank you for not leaving me alone.
I want to hear everything. This time, I will not interrupt.
I was afraid that if I said it, everyone would get even angrier.
You are not wrong for telling the truth. I was wrong for not listening sooner.
I was scared of Mrs. Carter, but I did not want her to be sad either.
Jack, you do not have to be afraid of me anymore.
From now on, in this house, no one makes children feel so afraid that they have to stay silent.
You are right. I let my coldness hurt them.
From now on, every day, I will make time to listen to you. No phone, no work in the way.
Even if I only want to tell you about school?
Especially about school.
So,
Can we start over, slowly?
I would like that very much, if you will let me.
you can keep this in case you need it.
Thank you, Jack.
We cannot fix everything in one day, but tonight, we have started. Tonight, I am only here with you.
Can I tell you about school first?
I am listening.
My teacher liked my drawing today. I wanted to show you this morning.
I would love to see that drawing.
I have a school story too. I did not spill my milk today.
Then you did very well today, Jack.
Really?
To new beginnings.
Could you pass the salad?
Of course, everything is delicious tonight.
Yeah, I love this chicken.
Our home feels warmer now.